Hey there Candy Crush lover, tired of wasting your stripped candies on weak moves? Wanna blast row and column like a real pro? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use stripped candy effectively. So without any delay, let's start the video. Easy stuff. Match 4 candies in a row and boom, you get a stripped candy. Horizontal match is equals to horizontal blast. Vertical match is equal to vertical blast. Simple but deadly. Got stubborn jellies, blocker or chocolate in a whole row or column? Drop that stripped candy and clear the path like a candy bulldozer. Combine a stripped candy plus wrapped candy for a massive cross-shape blast. Even better, strip plus color bomb turns every candy of that color into strip missiles. Don't just trigger it anywhere. Check the direction of the strip and line it up. Sometimes the board sets off your strip candy too early. Don't let that happen. Save it until you really need that row or column cleared. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can use strip candy effectively. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.